Hello, my name is Lily and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out something different, something I've never done before. I'll be styling my hair using a deep conditioner as my leave-in conditioner. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so I get inspired when I make new videos. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this deep conditioner. This is the MEGAGROWTH deep conditioner. I'm going to be using this as my leave-in conditioner. The reason why I chose this deep conditioner over the other ones that I have is because this has protein in it. And if you watch my last video, I talked about my hair not liking too much moisture, so I feel like if I use a moisture-rich deep conditioner as a leave-in conditioner, I might have higher fatigue. So then I'm going to be using the RB leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using this as my styler because this has like medium hold. And then I'll also be using this DIY hair mist. So like my hair is dry, it has oils in it, so it's not really not lubricated, but it's quite dry. So I'm not going to be washing it, I'll just go straight into styling. I think I'm going to be doing a braid out. So let me give you guys the back. So this is what it looks like. So I'll first start by dividing my hair into 3 sections. I'm just curious to know, like, I feel like most of the leave-in conditioners have basically the same ingredients with deep conditioners, so why can't you use one for the other, you know? So that's why I want to try this out. Just hope my hair doesn't fall off. This